What's going on, guys? Shane, aka Musty Yeti here. Thanks for joining me. Hope you're all doing great. Today's going to be a really quick update to my Glock 43 pistol. If you guys follow my channel, you know I do have a pretty tricked out Glock 43. I think we've done pretty much everything you can do to this pistol. I'll put a card in the corner if you guys want to check out the video series of what we've done so far. I'll probably also put a list here on the side, one of the sides. But I think what we've done so far, we've done a stipple job on the frame, thanks to NAF Solutions. We've got a Streamlight TLR6 on the front, the light. We have an OC custom trigger. We have some pins. We had Dynamic Weapon Solutions do the slide. We had matching paint previously with the slide and some Hive mag extensions, some Trigicon sights, a Black Industries threaded barrel, and I think that's about where it stopped. So I was talking to Tyrant Designs about getting my hands on their new T-Comp. I'm doing the install video for their website. So when that gets done, I'll also probably do a video on this on YouTube. I'll put that in the card in the corner as well if you want to check that out. But I was talking to him about getting this, and I was mentioning that I was just getting a little tired and bored of the camo that was on there. It was kind of a neon green, gray, and black, and it was just too bright for me for a concealed carry. I think that's something that's just going to catch the eye if it does happen to peek out under a shirt or something. So he pointed me in the direction of Zach over at Weapon Works, who absolutely killed this paint job. First, I'll say he was amazing to work with. I messaged him weekends, weeknights, nonstop. I think I changed my my decision on what camo to actually go with probably 3 or 4 times. Because if you guys are like me, you're a little scared of commitment. So I kept flip-flopping on what pattern I should go with. So I probably annoyed the crap out of him. But when I got it, it was definitely worth it. And what we got now is definitely more of a flesh tone color, which is nice for concealed carry. And I know pistols are a tool that are supposed to be used for defensive purposes. And I get that, and it's totally true. But I like my tools to look good. And this is no exception. So I'm really glad I did this. He was fantastic through the whole thing. He didn't seem to show any signs of irritation. But I mailed it to him, and he got it back to me fast, really fast. I sent it to him with the expectation it would take, a month maybe, because he had a really big project coming up. But he must have chalked out some special time for me, because he got this turned around and back to me very fast. And like I said, the paint job, the camo, it looks fantastic. The camera, the pictures that I post on Instagram, the B-roll you're seeing really doesn't capture, doesn't do it justice. It is a really good looking paint job. And I will say that a little cherry on top, I think really does take this pistol, the paint job, to the next level, are the parts that were graciously donated to this project by Tyrant Designs. We have their mag extension, the mag release, and the Glock slide plate. And they were given to me in raw metal. I sent them along with the slide to Zach, and I told him, do whatever you want with them, whatever you think is best. Do black, do, the lighter tan. I think there's like a medium tan in here, or the darker tan. And he went with the dark tan on the mag release and the Glock slide plate. And as you can see, he painted the extension the same to match the slide. But I really do think that the mag release and the Glock slide plate really are that extra special touch that just help tie everything in together. It brings that camo, that paint into the frame a bit. And you really don't see painted Glock slide plates to match. Normally it's just your standard blacks or blues or reds. So it's really cool to see that. It looks cool, the machine work. It all ties in together with Tyrant Designs because they do match their parts really well. But the paint looks great too. But yeah, guys, I just wanted to share this with you, show you what it looks like now. If you guys want to see stuff like this, more current, more up to date, go check out my Instagram. I'll put the name of it down the bottom somewhere. You can find me at Musty Yeti, and I post pictures and stuff like this well before I get to the camera here to record a video for YouTube. But I should share a fun story. I actually shipped this slide along with another slide separately, and I specifically asked for insurance and specifically asked for signature. Now, with the previous slide, I had insurance signature, and she failed to mention in this slide, the second package, or she just assumed I wouldn't know. But apparently the minimum for signature with insurance is $501, and I did $500. Obviously, if I would have known that $1 more of insurance would get me a signature, I would have done it. So I shipped this thing with the expectation that there was signature, because I wasn't told otherwise. I didn't get told. So they shipped it, and USPS lost it. they said it was delivered. Zach didn't have it, and that's pretty much it. I went to several USPS stores. I even talked to the postmaster, and lucky for me, they couldn't tell me anything other than it was delivered to the state or the city that was on the shipping label. So it was a pretty rough experience. As you can see, they found it. Apparently, they had delivered it to a neighboring business who took 4 or 5 days to get it to Zach. So for those 4 or 5 days, it was pretty stressful on what happened to the slide. But thankfully, Zach got his hands on it, killed it, and got it back to me. I just want to make sure I give out a huge thanks to Zach over at Weapon Works for doing this paint job and hooking me up, and also a big thanks to the guys at Tyrant Designs. They're constantly supporting me, and I really do appreciate it. But yeah, guys, that's about it. Just wanted to share the pistol with you, show you what it looks like now. And again, like I said, if that Tyrant Designs T-Comp video comes out, I'll be sure to put it in the corner. If you guys have any questions, comments, or concerns, leave them down in the comment box below. If you guys liked the video, you liked the pistol, feel free to give me a like. If you guys are subscribed, I appreciate it. If you aren't, be sure you do so. And when you do, make sure you hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. But yeah, guys, that's about it. Thanks for stopping by. Take care. Stay safe. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.
Let's do this.